Pretty stout. Dad testing the thickness.
Mil factor. Unfortunately, this one's sold.
What do you think of that, Dakota?
I hadn't had anybody do that before.
We're gonna test and see if this Bluetooth speaker in this shower works. So I'm gonna test it on one of my YouTube shorts.
We had someone ask why we're replumbing this entire house. Now this house is from... The simple answer for that is because this is what all the water is passing through in these pipes.
That's pretty sweet. Need one at my house.
City of Salem trash truck just annihilated this trash can. That's not gonna work. I don't even know how this happens. We've had a stockpile of natural hickory brown luxury vinyl plank 20 mil flooring. I really like this flooring, but I get that some people are into other styles, and I'm willing to branch out because the cost of this has gone up significantly. So please leave in the comments your luxury vinyl plank suggestions. Bonus points if your suggestion is less than $3.02 a square foot.
Here for the carpet.
And stuff, yeah. You like that?
I like that color. That's closer, but it's way more.
Yeah, that one is going to be a higher price for sure. I can get you the... Let me grab my calculator and I'll get you a price.
I have champagne taste,
Yeah, okay.
but a beer budget.
Uh-huh. I like this, man.
Do you? I want to see how it compares to that color over here. Yeah, it's more. It's way more closer to what we do.
Yeah, it is. The same mill layer, but that's wider than what we've done too.
Yeah, a lot wider.
This is the width of what we've been doing.
Mm-hmm. I think the wider one will work great in large spaces, but things like bathrooms, it might look a little funny.
So what was that one, Dakota?
280.
Heck yeah. Dad testing the thickness.
Mil factor. Unfortunately, this one's sold.
What do you think of that, Dakota?
I hadn't had anybody do that before.
Look at the difference. That's a 20 mil.
Pretty stout.
Very stout. Yeah, that's
The longer point
very
there.
thick. Very heavy.
It actually isn't telling me the total overall thickness, but comparable to the Durham Max there, I'll say it's going to be 6 mil.
Thanks, Dakota.
House is closing at the end of the week. Out here to mow real fast, so they have a nice mowed yard when they move in. Mowing is complete. This is my last time out here at the house on the Parkway. For all you haters that wanted us to get rid of the ramp, it's literally what sold the house. We were considering cutting down this tree. I'm so glad we didn't. That thing is beautiful.